kiss.
Quiet ones. Quiety ones. See? Quiety ones. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. That's red thing flying. Look, can you see it? It's just stuck his tail right in. Nah, look at these. I love these ones. Lad. You don't know where it's coming from. It keeps looking back. Good boy. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. Isn't it? Look at that big one coming.
Then they'll send about 10 of them up at once and it'll go boom, boom, boom.
Look at them. And at them. Is it finished? Shall we go before a crowd comes?
There you go, Tim Hen. Check this out.